Well, hello there, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to another episode of Skywind007. On today's episode, we're going to be looking at this. This is the General Electric plug-in rechargeable LED power failure night light. So I picked this up from Walmart, and what it does is that it works as a night light with 5 lumens. It can work as an emergency light, so when there's a power outage, it'll turn off automatically with 20 lumens. And it works as a flashlight, so you can unplug it from the wall and use it as a flashlight with 20 lumens. So let's take it out of the packaging. There's no nice way of taking it out. You have to tear it out. Okay, so here we are. So surprisingly, it does have an instruction booklet, or insert, I should call it. And so it does generate a lot of trash, as you can see. And then you have this, of course, the device itself. Once you take it out of the package, you unfold this right here and you plug it in for an initial charge. Once it's charged, you have 2 options. You can use it as an emergency light, power failure light, or you can just use it as a night light. For example, right now, the power failure is turned off because the LEDs are not turned on. So if you plug it in like this, it's charging. You can't see it, I know that, but it is charging. Let me turn off the lights. And then when there's a power failure, nothing happens because the power failure function is turned off. So if you want to turn that on, you press and turn it on like that, and then you plug it in. So now the power failure function is turned on. So when there's a power failure like this, it turns on automatically. And when the power comes back, it turns off automatically. So basically, to turn that on and off, you have to unplug it, and then you turn it off or on, depending on your choice. So it's kind of a weird way of doing it, but that's the way they did it. So now let's move on to the nightlight function. So during the night, this is the photovoltaic sensor. So when you cover that up, it's gonna turn off. Let me turn off the lights. So when you cover that up, it turns on like that. So this is nighttime, daytime. Nighttime, daytime. And then the last function is, of course, the flashlight, where you fold that away and then you just press the power button like that. And let me turn off the lights. Okay, so the room is completely dark right now, and this is how it looks like. And it does have a very nice color to it. It's not that bright white color that most flashlights have these days. This is more like a traditional color. Like, it seems like a regular bulb, but it is an LED bulb. It's not a regular bulb. So this is the energy efficient bulb, and not that regular bulbs that get real hot. So that's pretty cool. Let me plug it in again. So it's plugged in right now and it's still functioning. That means that there's no light reaching the photovoltaic sensor. So if you turn on the lights, it turns off. So overall, I have no complaints about this. It's perfect the way it is. So you always have this flashlight available. You don't have to worry about batteries. You don't have to worry about changing bulbs because I have an LED bulb. So it's definitely always there. The only thing that might be an issue is that if you're going to use it in your garage, like for as a mechanic, it's going to get dirty real fast because they made it white. But I'm not going to use it in the garage. I'm going to use it for other things other than working on a car. So I'm not expecting it to get too dirty. So anyway, that was it. It's a very simple device. So I definitely recommend it 100%. So thank you for watching, subscribe, and thumbs up.